Hi weavers. Today we are going to discuss about Arabian jasmine plant. Scientific name of this plant is Jasminum sambac, commonly known as Arabian jasmine, Mogra, Sampaguita. It belongs to the family Oleaceae. It is native to tropical Asia from the Indian continent to Southeast Asia. It is a shrub or vine growing up to 0.5 to 3 meters in height. It is a perennial plant. It is widely cultivated for its attractive and sweetly fragrant flowers. Plant needs full sun and warm climates. They cannot tolerate extreme hot and cold conditions. It needs 6 to 8 hours of sunlight. When come to temperature, the ideal temperature required for healthy growth of jasmine plant is 80 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit to get more flowers. This plant requires well-drained, fertile, sandy, loamy soil which can retain moisture but not soggy. Soil pH must be between 4.9 to 7.5 for this plant. It loves slightly acidic soil. For soil mix, take 1 part of coco peat, 1 part of organic compost and 1 part of sand. This is the proportion you have to take for this jasmine plant. Jasmine plant need a lot of water, especially when they are in bloom. Always keep the soil slightly moist. For fertilizer, give organic fertilizer like cow dung, vermicompost, kitchen compost in every 2 weeks. You can use organic liquid fertilizers also for this plant to get more blooms. Aphids, spider mites, black scale insects are common pests in this plant. Leaf spot and root rot are most common diseases in this plant. For pest control, mix 2 tablespoons of neem oil with 1 gallon of water and spray on the plants till they completely get wet. Spray on the evenings to get more results. Jasmine plant propagated through cuttings. Cut just below a leaf node and remove top leaves of the cuttings. If cutting has buds and flowers, remove those too. Plant the cutting in the potting mix. If possible, apply root hormone or cinnamon powder to the cutting. Within 20 to 25 days, you will get new plant from the cutting. I will give you 2 flowering tips for this jasmine plant. First one, prune the plant in winter to grow your plants bigger with more blooms. Second one, avoid excess nitrogen in fertilizer which can stop blooming. Too much fertilizer can stop the blooms. For repotting, repot the plant when roots visible at the drainage holes. Repot them in spring season. Jasmine plant has lot of health benefits and medicinal values. All parts of the plant have been used in traditional folk medicine in Asia. Jasmine tea help digestive system to flourish the growth of good bacteria, which helps in digestion. Jasmine tea regulates cholesterol level in blood. Jasmine tea is very helpful to lower the bad cholesterol level in the blood. The fragrance of these flowers is known to soothe the mind and relax our nervous system, thus bringing positive energy and reduces stress. Helpful in weight loss. Jasmine tea is helpful to our body in cutting down the unwanted fat accumulation in a natural and organic way without the use of harmful chemicals. Take few drops of jasmine flower oil and inhale it deeply. This method is known to clear phlegm from the respiratory system and also calms cough by struggling against infections and germs. Jasmine flower extracts are good in alleviating pain and hence are known as natural antispasmodic. Jasmine flower has antiseptic properties which can heal wounds and infections. Inhaling the fragrance of jasmine flower or the essential oil made out of it helps in clearing the air passage. The breath will be normal and the snoring will reduced. In conditioning hair. Jasmine flower using in hair make your hair smell good and also conditions your hair. For this, you will have to soak few flowers in warm water and allow it to rest until all the essence is mixed with the water. When hair shower, use this water at the end and rinse well. Jasmine flower helpful in making your hair grow thick and long. Mix jasmine extract along with coconut oil or almond oil. Apply on your scalp. and leave it for rest for a while. Uses body odor. Jasmine oil along with other essential oil can be used as a body spray. Application of jasmine oil helpful in pains and aches related to arthritis and rheumatism. Helpful in scars and marks. Application of jasmine oil along with coconut oil on affected areas helpful in removal of scars. Mix jasmine oil with aloe vera gel and apply on the dry areas of skin. Helpful for dry skin. It is very helpful in cancer also. Application of crushed jasmine flower extracts on affected areas can suppress the growth of tumor cells. So viewers, try to grow jasmine plant at your home, which will give you nice fragrance to your home and which has lot of health benefits. Like my video, please like, share and subscribe Shah's Garden Tech. Thank you.